Another quick update. So if you're looking on the side of the pool here, you're probably wondering what the heck is this stuff. I'm actually going to be switching it out because I have some sheet metal that's in the little building that's actually the same color gray as the pool. What we're trying to do is, by this being a vinyl pool, and there used to be a ton of rocks around the landscaping, I don't want to be cutting the grass and have a rock go soaring right through the pool and damaging it. So we're going to be putting up blockage here to protect it. So yesterday what I did was I put these posts in the ground, because if you look over here you can see the road. So my wife and I want to have some privacy. So what I did was I put these posts in the ground, and I bought some 1x6 lumber, and I'm going to build it up to about, probably it's about 9 feet there. So that should give us some protection, privacy from the roadway. So again, just another quick update. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.